Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the series of time and calendar, today we are going to study about operations on measures of time where we learn addition, subtraction and the elapsed time. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and please hit the bell icon so that you get all the notification whenever I upload the video. Let's get started. The addition of time. So these are the steps to follow. We'll add the hours, add the minutes, and if the minutes are 60 or more, subtract 60 from the minutes and add to the hours. Very important point to remember. Example, add 8 hours and 21 minutes and 3 hours and 55 minutes. We'll add hours, we get 11 hours, 8 plus 3, 11. So it is 11 hours and 21 minutes and 55 minutes. After adding, give us 76 minutes. Now what was the third and important rule? We have to subtract 60 minutes if the minutes are 60 or more. So here the minutes are 76. We are going to subtract 60. We get 16 minutes. Now those 60 minutes which we have subtracted from the minutes, that 60 minutes becomes 1 hour. So that 1 hour we are going to add in the hours section. So after adding that 1 hour to 11, we get 12 hours. So our answer is 12 hours and 16 minutes. Now subtraction of time. Here is an example. We have to subtract the hours, then the minutes, and if the minutes are negative or can't be subtracted, we have to borrow 1 full hour from hours and then add that hour to the minute section, or 60 minutes we will add to the minute section. Example is subtract 4 hours 42 minutes from 9 hours 36 minutes. Now since we know we cannot subtract 42 from 36, we have to borrow 1 hour from the hour section. So after borrowing 1 hour, that becomes 96 minutes because 1 hour has 60 minutes. So 60 plus 36 become 96. Now we can easily subtract 42 from 96. So after subtracting, we get 4 hours 54 minutes. And there in our section, we have to cut 9 because we have already borrowed 1 hour from that. It remains 8 hours, and 8 minus 4 gives us 4 hours 54 minutes. That is our answer. Now elapsed time. Now what is elapsed time? Elapsed time is the time between two given times. It is the amount of time that passes from the start of an event to its finish. Using the 24-hour time notation and our knowledge of addition and subtraction of time, we can easily find out the elapsed time. Here are few things we need to remember before we move on to calculating elapsed time, or this is just a recap. We have already studied about the clock. The hour hand on the clock is the shortest hand. The minute hand is the longer hand. We read time by looking at the hour hand first and then counting the minute hand. Each number on the clock equals to 5 minutes. So by looking at the clock, we can easily find out the elapsed time. Now finding elapsed time. The easiest way to find elapsed time is to calculate it on a number line. Example, find the elapsed time between 10 a.m. to 3:20 p.m. So this is the coolest way. You have to draw one line and mark some point on it. Then our starting time is 10 a.m. and the finish time is 3:20 p.m. So between that we are going to put the timings. After 10 a.m. we have 11 a.m. that becomes 1 hour. Then we have 12 noon. Again it is 1 hour. From 10 to 11 it is 1 hour, and from 11 to 12 it is 1 hour. Then 1 p.m. that also becomes 1 hour. Then 1 to 2, again 1 hour. Then we have 3 p.m. Again it is 1 hour. Now 3 p.m. to 3:20 p.m. we have only 20 minutes. And then we'll add them. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 5 times 1 gives us 5 hours plus 20 minutes. It means 5 hours 20 minutes. So elapsed time between 10 a.m. to 3:20 p.m. is 5 hours 20 minutes. So this is the easiest and the coolest way to find out the elapsed time. You can draw a line and put the timings in between and then add the hours or the minutes accordingly. Now finding the time. What time it would be, after or before. So how to find it out? Example, 3 hours after 7:30 p.m. You have to find out the time now after 3 hours of 7:30 p.m. So here we'll simply add 3 hours to 7:30. So 3 plus 7:30 p.m. becomes 10:30 p.m. Since the hours are less than 12, so it will be p.m. Then 7 hours 25 minutes before 4:15 p.m. Solution is 4:50 p.m. is equal to 16:15 hours or 16 hours 15 minutes. We'll convert it. So the required time is, we'll subtract 7 hours 25 minutes from 16 hours 15 minutes, and we'll follow the same method. Since 25 minutes are more than 15, so we are going to borrow 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 plus 15, 75 minutes. If we subtract 25 minutes from 75 minutes, we get 50 minutes. Then we have already borrowed 1 hour from 16 hours. That remains 15 hours. 15 minus 8, 7 hours is equal to 8 hours. So hours are 8 hours 15 minutes, and the timings will be 8:50 a.m., which is our answer. So I hope you have learnt it thoroughly. Please go through it once again so that you can understand the content. And then after that you share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.